I'm about to describe a topic that I was asked to study with a few of my peers as an assignment for presentation at my institution. So, the topic was music and mood, how music influences someone's mood once they start listening to it. Well, there is a scientific description about how music influences one's mood. A chemical called dopamine is often released once one starts to listen to music, and it results in them feeling very energized and hyped. And if they're listening to slow songs, they feel relaxed and very unwinded after a long day. One develops a very strong emotional connection with the music that they listen to. It often evokes nostalgia, a sense of sadness, happiness. It motivates them while also bringing them joy and excitement. It is truly a very interesting topic of how even culture influences the taste of music that one has and how it often influences their mood. It also has a lot of therapeutic aspects to it. There are many therapists who suggest listening to lo-fi music so that one can relax if they are having trouble with anxiety and depression. There are many surgeons too who play music to keep their patients calm and steady their heartbeats while conducting an operation. People also have personal preferences, like different music often has different reactions from different people.